What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's do a market structure update for Amazon. Looks like if you are new here and you haven't seen this before, I'll go in and draw the measure move target. So we had one leg up, second leg up, target was met and even exceeded, and prices continue to trend higher. Since last week, let's see, Friday, I did my analysis last week, Saturday. So it looks like this week or the prior week was just pretty much flat. You can see the prices are just trading sideways in this little tight range between the 127 and the 130 level. So, it looks like we're just going sideways. Let me go and show you guys this right now. So this uptrend channel has a break and a new high, so that shows signs of weakness. So you can see the price was maintaining this angle, then it broke the angle, but normally prices don't just reverse right away. We see two pushes or two attempts in that direction. So this was the first attempt higher, and this is the second attempt higher, and it's targeting the 134.50 level or the 135 level. If I go and draw this wider channel, you see if I connect the two swings on the bottom and I drag this up, you can see how well that we're about to find some resistance at the top of this channel. So we have a little bit of room left. Let me show you guys that right now. So something like this is fitting pretty good. Maybe it's a little bit higher, maybe it's a little bit lower, but we're very close to the top of this channel, and that is definitely going to be an area, or most likely is going to be an area where we find resistance or we see prices not able to push through. So this tells me that a big correction is coming. It's not guaranteed to occur, but we have a break of this orange channel and a few legs up. We're at the top of this yellow channel. We already reached the measurable target. So there's not a lot of bullish signs anymore until we see, some type of pullback in the market. And obviously this 135 level, it was a important level in the past because it was strong support. You see there was a double bottom off of that level. Prices gapped down through it. Prices pull back up. Bulls try to get above the level. They failed once right here. They failed twice, and then prices sold off. And now it looks like we're coming back up to that level that's looking to be acting as a magnet. So again, it looks like this uptrend is coming to an end fairly shortly. And, I would be expecting some type of correction to occur. Maybe something like this, maybe something smaller. But it's just unlikely for price to just continue in this fashion that it is currently moving in. So I'm expecting, a decent sized correction. The correction could be sideways or it could be down. Most likely it will be down. We'll just have to wait and see. But as right now, I'm seeing this uptrend kind of start topping out, and I would be expecting a pullback any second now. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart for Amazon. You can see that we bounced off the 2020 lows. So I'll mark that with a horizontal line, and I'll go and mark the all-time highs where we had a double top at. So it looks like, we could be going up to the all-time highs now because we bounced off this 2020 low. So if that was the low in 2020, this could be the low in 2023. And there was also this downtrend channel right over here though. So we had this downtrend channel, and we haven't seen two pushes in that direction. So what I'm expecting is something like this. If we see two pushes and they're kind of small and prices stay above the EMA, there's a good chance we see another impulse higher, something like that. However, if we see two pushes or one push down and then two pushes up that are, below the EMA, then we can still get another large push down. So that's how I'm looking at it. I don't know what type of reaction we're going to get. I would be expecting that we see higher prices because obviously the major pattern is up, and this could just be a correction from about 2021 to 2023. So that could all just be a correction in this uptrend. So there's a good chance, we probably see, two small pullbacks for price to continue higher, but I still expect to see, two attempts down because price just broke outside of this orange downtrend channel. So you have to understand there are two market participants in the market. You have buyers and sellers. Sellers are trying to come back down to this prior low right over here or even exceed it, and the bulls are trying to come up to the all-time highs. So we'll see who wins out. So if we see, two small pullbacks, that looks pretty bullish because the sellers weren't able to come back down to this low. that will lead to another push up higher. If we already see a strong move down, then that's a clear sign that the bulls are failing to go higher. If we see a couple more attempts, there's a good chance it'll fail for price to go lower. So that's how I'm looking at it. You can see that we are a little overextended from the EMA, but that's not a big deal when we are in the advancement period. So you can see that we are far away from the EMA right about here. Maybe we do the same type of pattern right over here too, because we bounce off the 2020 lows and we're a little overextended from the EMA. But we can stay overextended from it for a while. So especially if this is an advancement, meaning prices are resuming the uptrend. So I wouldn't consider that, a big deal in this specific situation. So basically Amazon is looking to get slightly topped out. I'm expecting, just EMA to catch up. Either we do that in the form of getting a pullback, or we just, start going sideways. And then from there, we'll see, if we see those 2 attempts down or not. So that's all I have for Amazon this week. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.